Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to export stickers from public groups on the Telegram app for PC using the new update. If you've ever wanted to save or manage the stickers you come across in Telegram groups, this method makes it clear and easy to do. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in so that all of your chats and groups are visible. Once the app is open, look at the very top left-hand corner. You'll see three small horizontal lines which open the main menu. Click on those three lines. From the menu, choose Settings. Here, you'll see all of your account and app preferences. What we're looking for is inside the Advanced section, so click on that. Now, scroll down until you find the option called Export Telegram Data. This is where Telegram allows you to save different kinds of information, and we're going to focus only on what we need. Inside the export options, make sure to check only public groups. This ensures that Telegram will include the materials, like stickers, from the groups you're part of, without exporting all of your personal messages or private content. Next, continue scrolling down within the same window. Look for stickers and select it. After you've chosen public groups and stickers, click on the Export button. Telegram will now start preparing your export. Depending on how many groups you are in and how many stickers are shared, this may take a little time, so just let the process finish. Once the export is complete, you'll see the option Show My Data. Click on that button, and you'll open the folder where Telegram has saved your exported content, including all of the stickers you've selected. That's it. You've successfully exported stickers from public groups in Telegram on your PC. With this update, Telegram makes it much easier to organize and access the fun sticker collections that are shared in different communities. If you found this walkthrough useful, try it out on your Telegram PC app and start exploring your exported sticker packs right away.